When you power on your washer combo, the display will prompt you with two combination wash and dry cycles. First is the normal wash and dry cycle, and the second is the AI wash and dry cycle. AI wash senses fabrics, textures, and load size to conveniently select the correct wash and dry cycle with just pushing the start button. After this option, I can find additional wash and dry cycles. I'm choosing the normal wash cycle. I want to change some wash settings, so using the control panel on the right, I decide to change the temperature to tap cold and my spin to extra high. I also want to add a couple additional rinses. If I press start now, this would be a wash only cycle, but I want to use all the features of the washer combo and add a dry cycle. To do this, I can select the dry button and tap repeatedly to cycle through my drying options. I'm going to select a normal dry. I stop on normal dry to add the cycle. I do not need to select a button to apply. I can see below my dry cycle has been added to my wash cycle. The dry button will be illuminated when a cycle is added. I'm all set to start my cycle.